Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexander, Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate First Year Maths B. We have started our discussion with differentiation. What did we learn in that? We have learned different formulas and different sets of formulas, starting with the basic functions, trigonometric, hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic and everything. Clear? We have solved different kinds of questions also. Today we are going to solve various kinds and various problems of differentiation. Clear? If the person is able to solve all the problems in today's session, then he will be able to solve at any cost. He can solve each and every problem of differentiation. That is for sure. Okay. So, better will concentrate a lot in this session. Clear? Shall we start? See here. What's the first question given? Tan e power x. Then, what is the formula I have to know? I have to know the differentiation of tan x. What is the differentiation of tan x? That is secant square x. Again, differentiation of e power x is again e power x. That is the answer. Yes or no? That's it. Next. I already told there is something called as 1 minus cos 2x. I already told you to remember the formula of this. What is it? 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Let us say this as y. Then next 2 will get cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square x. Now differentiate it. What do we get? What is the differentiation of tan square? Do we have? No. So, we will take it as tan x power 2. That is 2 tan x. Again, instead of tan x, instead of x, we have tan x. Again, tan x ka differentiation is secant square x. Clear? If you want to simplify more, you can. But it's proper. It's okay. Clear? See here. The next question. X tan inverse x. Here, this is in the form of u, v. Okay, let us directly differentiate x differentiation of tan inverse x. Only for this question I will write, I will not write for next question. And then x tan inverse x into differentiation of x. Clear? Right? That is x differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into differentiation of x is 1. Therefore, answer is x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. Is it fine? That's it. Now see the next question, log of sin inverse e power x. Let us differentiate directly. What is log x? Formula 1 by, yes, 1 by x. Again we have to differentiate sin inverse e power x. Now tell me what is the formula of sin inverse x? Sin inverse e power x into formula of sin inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square into x. Instead of x, what is there? E power x. That is e power x by sin inverse e power x into 1 plus e power 2x, or else e power x whole square. Anything is okay. Clear? This is important. Just try to understand it. Okay. And the next, differentiation of e power x again e power x. Again, instead of x, what is there? Sin inverse x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square. Therefore, answer is e power sin inverse x by under root 1 minus x square. Clear? Are these questions not easy to solve? Fine. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at these next questions here. The question given here, it is log of secant x plus tan x. Right? That is, directly let us differentiate it. What is the differentiation of log x? That is 1 by secant x plus tan x. Then again we have to differentiate this secant x plus tan x. Now tell me what is the differentiation of secant x? Secant x into tan x plus differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Is it clear? Now next, take secant x as common, that will become tan x plus secant x divided by secant x plus tan x. Both will get cancelled. I will get it as answer as secant x. Clear? Is it okay? Again, log of secant x plus tan x ka differentiation is 1 by secant x plus tan x. Again, we have to differentiate this term. So secant x differentiation is secant tan x differentiation is secant square x. Clear? Now see here next question. Sin inverse root x का differentiation, that is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Is it clear? Again instead of x what is there? That is root x. Again root x का differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Therefore answer will be 1 by 2 root x into 1 minus root square root will get answer 1 minus x. Clear? Nice. Next, secant of root tan x. Differentiation of secant root tan x is, what is the differentiation of secant x? That is secant x into tan x. Again instead of x what is there? Root x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Again instead of x what is there? Secant square x. That's it. This is the answer. You need not write anything more. But remember how to write in serial, one after the other. Don't write whatever you want. See here, secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. What is there instead of x? Bole to root x. That is 1 by 2 root x. Again what is there instead of x? Tan x. Tan x ka differentiation is secant square x. Fine. See here, log of cos h2x. Log x ka differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by cos h2x. Again instead of x what is there? Cos hx. Cos hx ka differentiation is sin hx. Again instead of x what is there? 2x. Differentiation is 2. Now tell me 2 sin hx by cos hx is tan h2x. Right? Isn't it easy to solve? Fine. Shall we move on to the next problems? Yes, do. Look at the next question here. Here the question given as y is equal to x sin inverse x by under root 1 minus x square, and he is asking us to find dy by dx. Similarly, the other questions are also like that, right? In the previous question, we used to assume as y is equal to something. Here he directly gave y as some function. He is asking us to differentiate it. Clear? See here. Here there is in the form of u by v, where the u itself is in the form of uv. Yes? See here. That is dy by dx is equal to v square, that is 1 minus x square whole square, into v u dash, that is differentiation of this, differentiation of x sin inverse x, minus u v dash, differentiation of 1 minus x square. Clear? Is it okay? Now let us differentiate it. 1 minus x square into x sin inverse x is again uv rule. So let us write x into 1 by under root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x. Clear? Hope everything is right here. Minus x sin inverse x into root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x into, instead of x what is there? 1 minus x square. 1 ka differentiation is 0, minus x square is minus 2x. Is it okay? Is it fine? Yes? Divided by 1 minus x square. Till here it's okay. If you want to simplify more, it's better you simplify. 2 will get cancelled. Okay? If I take LCM as 1 minus x square, that will become as x plus under root 1 minus x square sin inverse x, yes, whole divided by 1 minus x square under root. Clear? Here minus x into x is x square sin inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square, whole divided by again 1 minus x square. Clear? Let us multiply inside. Okay? That will become x under root 1 minus x square, yes, plus 1 minus x square and 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square into sin inverse x minus x square sin inverse x. However, the LCM is 1 minus x square into, already there is 1 minus x square. Clear? Still furthermore, if you want to simplify also, we can simplify. How? X into under root 1 minus x square, here 1 minus 2x square sin inverse x. Here 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. That is x under root 1 minus x square plus 1 minus 2x square sin inverse x divided by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. Clear? Is it okay? This is nothing but my dy by dx. Okay. Be careful while writing the steps. Fine. Look at the next question. The question given here, it is cot inverse x cube whole square. How do we do? First we have to take it as x power n, that is 2x, okay, into differentiation of this term, that is cot inverse x cube. Okay, that is 2 cot inverse x cube into cot inverse x ka differentiation, that is 1 minus x square. I mean 1 by 1 plus x square or minus x square, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. What is that instead of x? X cube. Therefore, this will be 3x square. Therefore, my answer is 3 2s are minus 6x square cot inverse x cube by 1 plus x power 6. Right? Again, be careful while multiplying, simplify and everything. Even if you miss one thing also, the whole answer will go wrong. Why? Because if the first differentiation is wrong, automatically the next differentiation also will be the wrong answer. Clear? See here. Again, what is y given here? Cosecant inverse something, whatever it might be, I don't care. What is the formula of cosecant inverse? That is, what is the formula of cosecant inverse x? Minus 1 by mod x into under root s x square minus 1. Again into, instead of e power 2x plus 1, what is there? Again e power 2x plus 1 differentiation e power 2x into 2. Clear? Yes. Let us check here. These both will get cancelled. Answer is minus 2 by under root e power 2 2s are 4x plus 2 minus 1. Clear? Are these questions okay for you? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Let us do the next question. The question given here, it is cos inverse b plus a cos x by a plus b cos x. The question itself is a bit confusing, but it is a long method. But make sure that you don't do any kind of mistakes in between. Okay. What's the formula of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. That is what we remember. Let us substitute the same and simplify. Okay. See here, once again I am telling, don't get confused here. The dy by dx is minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, that is b plus a cos x by a plus b cos x whole square. Then differentiation of this part. What is this? This is in the form of u by v. So we will put a plus b cos x whole square. Then here v u dash, u is, let me write it as like this, b plus a cos x dash minus again v u dash a plus b cos x dash. Clear? Is it fine? Now let us simplify this. What is the LCM here? Let us take a plus b cos x whole square as LCM. A plus b cos x whole square as LCM minus b plus a cos x whole square divided by a plus b cos x whole square. Clear? And the next see here. Again the denominator a plus b cos x whole square into a plus b cos x into, here b differentiation is 0, a cos x differentiation is sin x minus sin x. Okay. And the next see here, b plus a cos x, a differentiation is 0, again here it is minus b sin x. Clear? The only thing we have to multiply and simplify, that's it. Clear? See here. Here denominator under root a plus b cos x whole square is there, it will go to numerator, then that will become as a plus b cos x. However, there is a negative sign here. under root, here a plus b cos x whole square, that is a square plus b square cos square x plus 2ab cos x. Clear? And the next here minus b square minus a square cos square minus 2ab cos x under root. Clear? Again, let us write directly the whole numerator here itself. Okay, let me write it here. Minus a square sin x minus ab cos x sin x. Okay, here minus into minus, that will become plus. Let us multiply that. Plus b square sin x plus ab cos x sin x. Clear? In the denominator we will have a plus b cos x whole square. Is it fine? Done. Now see here, ab cos x will get cancelled, and if you see here a plus b cos x also will get cancelled, and one more thing, 2ab cos x also will get cancelled. What is left here? A square, if I take common I will get it as 1 minus cos square. If I take b square as common, I will get it as minus cos square, 1 minus cos square. Shall we do that? Now see here, that is minus, here sin x if I take as common, I will get it as b square minus a square. Clear? In the denominator, if I take a square common, I will get it as 1 minus cos square. If I take minus b square as common, I will get it as 1 minus cos square as common. However, a plus b cos x is in the denominator. Is it clear? Fine. Let us multiply minus inside. What do we get? This will be a square minus b square into sin x divided by under root 1 minus cos square is sin square x minus, again here 1 minus cos square is again sin square x into a plus b cos x. Clear? Now let me take sin square x common here, a square minus b square into sin x divided by, if I take a square minus b square as common, I will be left with sin square x into a plus b cos x. Now a square minus b square into sin x divided by under root a square minus b square into, this sin square will come out. This will become a plus b cos x. Sin will get cancelled. Therefore, my answer will be, here it is full, here it is half. If I subtract, I will get it as under root a square minus b square into a plus b cos x whole inverse. This is the answer. Is it clear? Did you understand? Once again, let me tell you here. Here the question is given as cos inverse this whole form. We will write it as differentiate directly minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Whatever there is there, that is in the form of u by v. Differentiation of this. Okay. That is vu dash minus uv dash. I have written directly dash. I didn't differentiate yet. Here b plus a cos x will be, b differentiation is 0, a cos x is minus a sin x. Similarly, we have did this. Here I have taken LCM as a plus b cos x. Then I have sent it to the numerator. I have cancelled this and this part. Okay. Then I have multiplied these both, simplified this. Then I have got cancelled two terms in each term. Then I have taken a square b square common. After that sin square common. Then sin outside, sin got cancelled. This is the answer. Is it clear? Fine. This is one of the long answer questions of your second exercise. Hope you understood this. Clear? Fine. These are all different problems of your differentiation. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of derivatives. Thank you.